Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Tribal Trades. It's Sunday, the market is closed, it's late, but I want to get a video out because I'm traveling. I'm out Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, so I'm going to make the video today for Monday's market. So there might have been a bit of change in price, but I wanted to get some content out to you. I will be putting out shows every single day, Monday through Saturday, and then on Sundays, only if we see any major shifts in the market, I'll put a video out on Sundays. So there wasn't a video for Sunday, but here I am. And certainly what happened at the close? Well, what happened at the close is what I've been saying all along. Have a look. Here we go. We found support at the 200 EMA on the daily. This trend line held as support. Okay. Now look what's happened. This trend line is resistance. It's coming back into this and it's struggling to get through. So my view has not changed on Bitcoin. I think as far as a monthly close goes, ideally we want to be back above the 50-day moving average. We did not close. So until we flip back above the 50-day moving average, I'm going to be a little bit bearish. Once we flip back above that, retest, then I'm going to be more bullish. But we have found some support. We are kind of banging around there again. We could flush down to this 58 here. We could even flush down a little bit to 56, a wick down, retest this 200 EMA on the daily time frame. Of course, there's always a chance that we come down here, but I just feel this is less likely, but possible. I think some people have even suggested to me that Bitcoin's going down to 44K. And look, while it's possible, I see that as the most least likely of scenarios there. And there's nothing really historically or on the charts or indicators that leads to that. Of course, if we were to lose the 200 EMA and bang our heads above it, then sure, we are looking to come down to at least test this $50,000 to $53,000 level. Certainly the 56K level will be tested, and then we see how we react, and there is more trend line support there. So I'm not really going to entertain down here because we are holding the strong 200 EMA on the daily. That's what I wanted to see held. Now we're back above this order block here, above 62. We're 63. This was a great buying opportunity, by the way. I did point this out several times on my channel since the last week. I posted on, I believe it was Monday, 24th of June, a week ago, that I felt that the local bottom was in, and we were fairly close, a good buying opportunity here, okay? There's been some great trades. If we looked at the crypto cheat sheet, listen, Casper. I've been telling people to buy Casper. Where do we have Casper here? We got it at 13 and 15 cents. Now, of course, I got Casper all the way at 5 cents, and I got lower at 4 and at 3 cents. I think my average was probably 4 cents. But did you buy at 13 and 15? If you did, it hit 19 today. You're up. You made money. Ondo. I gave buy prices for Ondo down at actually in the Discord. I gave updated buy prices of $1.10 and $1.05. And then we're almost back at $1.25 right now. And so if you've watched my video on range trading, I covered Ondo. And if you followed that, you would have been made money and you would be up. If we look at Casper, for example, both in my cheat sheet and in the Discord, and some people, where do I buy Casper? In the US, buy it on Uphold. I'm not on Uphold. Sign up. Log in, sign up, send some money to it, buy Casper. It can't be more simple. Here it is. I gave these signals. Let's move to the daily time frame here. Gave these signals at 13, okay, and at 15. If you bought this, there we go. What did we come down to? For Casper, we came down to about 13, bang on. Got in here, gave you the signal, off we went to the races up to almost 20 cents. Huge gains, huge gains. And I've been calling this Casper for over a month now. Those buy signals, those entries, for people, not just on YouTube a month ago. Over the past month, I've given those signals, but also in the Discord just recently. Ondo, and let's bring up the Ondo charts. Ondo, all right, had buys for you guys at $1, $1.05, and $1.10. You know, we've shot up numerous times since I gave those buys, up to $1.29, up to $1.48. Please watch my range training video on how to train Ondo right now. It's in the $1 to $1.48 range with a mid-range of $1.25. Look, if you're taking profit at $1.25 and around there, 1 profit, get back in. 2 profits, get back in. Almost back to 3 profits. Oh, 3. So you can see here now we're trading in the lower half of this range. And actually, if we go to Ondo on this chart over here. Okay, so if you've got Ondo here, look, mapped out beautifully. Oh, look how gorgeous this is. This is magnificent. Look how easy you can make trading. Don't make it complicated. So easy. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Gave all these signals in the Discord channel. You can see we're clearly trading the bottom of this range here. If you get back to $1, buy. You can get back to, here's the 50-day moving average. This is a good entry as well. You can trade this little part of the channel as well. And then when we break through and retest 125, good entry, ride it up to the top. Or if you got it down here, you can TP1 here, and then you can TP2, 3, 4, 5 as we get to the top of this range. Obviously, there'll be a lot of resistance here to begin with. So you can see here, and you can see, look at all this volume here on the volume bars. I teach this in all the educational videos that I have been releasing, my life-changing gains videos. I show you how to set up all these indicators. I show you how to set up on the ribbons, on the time frames. I show you how to set up the 50-day moving average and the 200 EMA as well, which right now is acting as support. You can see here more clearly, look how you trade this range. 50-day moving average. I wouldn't wait till the bottom if the 50-day moving average is there. Buy there, sell here. Buy the 50-day moving average, sell here. Buy the 50-day moving average, sell there at 125. When it comes back to buy the 50-day moving average, also the 200 EMA, they're converging. Look, and if we break down, look, if we get lucky enough, you add. So I don't go all in at the 50-day moving average. I hold some powder. In case it drips a bit lower, bang, another buy. If we get down to $1, bang, another buy. So when we go up, my average price is lower, and then I can take profit. If we hit the 50-day moving average and don't go above it and reject, boom, take profit there. If we get above it, retest it as support and get above the 200 EMA, ride it up to the 125, boom, support. You do see there are some take profit zones here also that you can. There's an order block here, and this is why this was not a bad place. Look, it's not an exact science. You don't have to wait till you get all this perfect one up here and all this perfect one over here. Sometimes you can take profit a little bit earlier at 122. And you can get in a little bit. You know, got the 50-day moving average. This is why you've got to use multiple different indicators. 200 EMA on the 4-hour, 50-day moving average. You use the Fibonacci's to work out your range high and range low. There's the Fibonacci's down there, the 0. There's the 618, also at $1.31. I would expect some resistance there once we break through. And then the top of the range up here at about $1.48, $1.50. Okay, so just letting you know that. Look, and if you're going, look, I don't know where to buy these coins. Sign up for an exchange that sell the coins. Don't wait. Don't sit on the sidelines waiting. You know, I was able to buy Solana and get into Solana because I went to an exchange when other exchanges didn't have it. Coinbase didn't have it. Crypto.com didn't have it. Where was I going to go? I found it. Uphold doesn't have it. I found it on an exchange. I signed up for that exchange. I bought it on that exchange. Turned $100 into $7,000. Okay, put in the work, put in the effort, put in the research. Turn off Netflix, turn off the TV, get your computer out, educate yourself, learn, grow, watch all the videos. I have tons of educational videos on here. If you go back all the way back to the beginning, even today in the Discord, I was telling people, they were asking questions. I was saying, look at the very first video I did, the getting started video, How do you know, if you're trading on Coinbase, there's reasons I don't trade on Coinbase. Watch anyway, but I really would encourage you to check out the stockswithjosh.com. Sign up for the Discord. I'm in the Discord. You can ask me questions directly. I give prices, entries, exits, long-term for the market. We talk about all this stuff, educating you so you can become a better trader, so you can make money in this bull market. And look, so get in on the Discord. And as always, look, smash the like button if you haven't already. I say that all the time because I'm watching YouTube videos and I sometimes forget. And then people say, smash the like button, and I do it. That helps get this content out to more people, helps more people out there, and helps grow this. Make sure you've subscribed. Of course, if you want to subscribe, you don't have to. But if you want to join our ever-growing community, hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment. Love reading the comments. Thank you so much for all the kind comments and encouragement there. And also, if you have any questions, I always look to get back to those questions as soon as possible. So put them in there, of course, but I really do value all the comments and all the questions. So until the next show, look, I haven't changed my stance. Look back on all my videos over the last month, over the last couple of weeks. I've given you signal after signal, indicator after indicator, that I do feel that these buying opportunities that I give you on my cheat sheet. Where are the cheat sheet? It's linked in the description. Linked in the description. You have all these. Some of these are going to be still in good buy areas. Some of them are gone. You know, Casper, it's gone. The opportunity was there, 13, 15 cents. Will I tell everybody to buy right at the all-time high? No, I'm not going to tell anybody to buy around 18, 19 cents. If we break the all-time high, retest as support, and then that might be an okay entry. You know, there's nothing wrong with buy high and sell higher, but it's just certainly so much more riskier if you're buying at the all-time high. It can work out, but certainly it can go against you if it drops below that, bounces, hits its head, and then drops back down again. So certainly I've given these levels. For those of you who've been following from days one, I've given these levels since the end of May, and these levels have been hit. And some of these coins now, like Toncoin, Casper, are all have taken off. Toncoin is up well over $1. It went over $8. Casper has gone up. Ondo went down. We gave the buy orders. It's come back up to around this price. You would be in money. I mean, gosh, you'd made what, 20, 25% as it went back to around $1.28. So even if you'd bought it $1.20, added to it here, you would still be in profit. Now, that's why dollar cost average works. Build your positions works. And there's many other coins in here. Certainly, July has generally always been green after a red June. I'm expecting no different. Let's see what shakes out. But until the next show, happy trading.